Hey, what's going on, guys? This is something that I know a lot of you have been waiting for a long time. I'm finally going to take a look at an Armored Core kit. And the reason I never really have any before is just because a lot of the Armored Core designs just aren't really very appealing for me. But I finally found one that I think does look pretty cool here with the Sunshine L from Armored Core Variable Infinity series. This is made by Kotobukiya. And as always, big thank you to USA Gundam Store for sponsoring the video, guys. If you don't know, we're doing Kotobukiya month now as a way to just kind of help promote all the fact that USA Gundam Store is getting more Kotobukiya kits over on their site, and so you should check that out if you're looking for some of them. Now, doesn't mean they're necessarily going to have exactly this kit, but they will have Kotobukiya kits there that you guys should check out if you're looking for some of them. So if you do want them to get more Armored Core kits, maybe let them know. Hopefully maybe they can get in touch with their Kotobukiya distributor or something and maybe work that out. I don't know, but just let them know if you would like to see some Kotobukiya Armored Core kits in their shop, and hopefully they'll be able to get some for you. So anyway, this is the Sunshine L. Yeah, it's a big hefty design here. There's just a look there at the front of the head. Just want to look at the sides of the box first. Here on the top of the box, here you can see some details and a sample photo of what the kit looks like completely unpainted there. Not too bad, really not all that different. If you just threw some panel lining on that, it still looked pretty good. Some detail parts. I'm not exactly sure what a lot of like the actual parts are on this, just because I haven't played the game in a long time, and even then I didn't play like super religiously. So there's just some weapons parts. I guess that's some sort of missile launcher or something like that, probably on the top of the shoulder. And the list price for this kit is 5,300 yen, so around $55 for this. Not too bad. It's basically sort of like a master grade sort of, so the price really doesn't seem too outrageous for that. And then you can see what the front and rear view is going to look like of the design. I'm not sure really what to call that. An armored core, I guess. It's not a mobile suit, but an armored core. And the weapon, it has this big kind of bazooka grenade launcher sort of looking thing. I'm going to say it's a rocket launcher. Yeah, let's go with that. And then the back unit, the Cheyenne 02. Again, I'm not exactly sure what that is. Assemble parts. It has different parts. I know one thing from Armored Core, of course, you can select the different parts to like mix and match things. It's like kit bashing sort of. So it has, it tells you what exactly the different parts of this are. So of course you could mix and match these with different Armored Core kits. I'm assuming you can do that without too much difficulty. I would assume that Kotobukiya makes them relatively universal in that way, at least for like the main joints. But in here, we've got a pretty full box as well. There's a lot of parts in here and a lot of really nice detail on that. So there you can see there's some of the weapons parts in gray. Pretty, not very colorful, of course. It's just kind of like gray, tan, and like a little bit of like really dark green on there. We'll take a look at all the runners here in a moment. I just want to get down in here to the manual first. So it looks like no water slides included with this kit, unfortunately. It would have been nice to maybe have a couple of marking decals or something like that, but here on just the front of the manual, you can see there's just the GAN01 Sunshine L assembly manual there, and you can see what it looks like, just kind of all gray. It's sort of like if you just had the kit just all primed in gray. On the back, there is a official color guide here though. If you wanted to match the colors exactly, it gives you the exact mixtures for those, and then for the weapons there as well. It's opening it up to the front page here. Again, this is just parts data list, so this would just be related to like what each part is specifically like in the game. I guess you can like connect it to that. And then we have an actual parts list of the parts included with the kit, and then it's just on through the construction, so just goes through that. On the center page though, here we have what is this? I don't really know what this. It looks like an altimeter or something like that on the side. I'm not really sure if that's actually for something, but it looks to be centimeters. Yeah, I checked. That's centimeters, so it gives you 0 to 12 centimeters for some reason, or in millimeters anyway. But maybe you need that for something with this kit. I don't think so, but I also don't think this is the actual size of the kit. I don't think that the kit itself is only 11 centimeters tall. I could be wrong. It could be much smaller than I am imagining it will be. It's very possible, but I guess we'll see when I end up building it. But it's just some nice illustrations there. And then it's just on with the construction. More and more of that, and then the weapons, and then you're just done with the final assembly. And then on the back page here, just a few more shots here, action, just showing some sort of action poses. Not really, it's just kind of just standing there. But yeah, it looks pretty cool. So let's go look at the runners. Right, so as I said, this kit does not have any water slides or stickers, but we do have some polycaps here in black. Both of them are just labeled simply PC, but it looks like this one is in letters, and this one is also in letters, so you'll have lettered PC parts from A to U. Okay, and then runner A1 here is just in this tan color. Again, a lot of really nice little fine details on there. This is marked actually 1/72nd scale main core type Sunshine C. So I think there's different versions of this that maybe come with different armaments or something. This is just the Sunshine L was the one that I got, but apparently there's a Sunshine C as well, I guess. And then runner A2 as well, just some more parts in tan. Runner B1 as well, just kind of more of the same. I'm guessing this is going to be mostly parts for the arms and legs and things like that, as we do have 2 of the B1 runner. And then a few more parts here on runner B2 as well, and 2 of these also. Then runner C is in a kind of slightly greenish gray color, but it also has a little bit of metallic-ness injected into it, so it does have a little bit of metallic shine to it as well. It's the same thing here for runner D as well. I'm guessing this is going to be for some of like the joint and mechanic parts in there, and we've got 2 of the D runner. D1 anyway. And runner D2 is going to be some more of that as well. So we've got 2 of these also, of the D2 runner. Runner E is some more parts here in tan. Runner F is some parts here in metallic silver, so you'll have 2 of this F runner as well. Runner G is in just kind of a standard medium gray color, and we can see we've got our hands in there. It looks like we're going to have closed fists and holding hands basically, as well as a few other detail parts on there. Runner H, also just more plain gray parts here for joints and details. We've got 2 of the H runner, and a few more parts here on runner I as well in the same gray color. Runner J is this tiny little runner with 1 single tiny little piece in clear red here for the eye camera. And then finally runner K is going to be obviously the weapon parts. This would be like the bazooka parts, looks like on this side, or whatever, rocket launcher or whatever. And then the other backpack mounted parts over here on this side. So, and all the runners that I've seen so far have all been Sunshine C. So I don't know if all these parts are included with the Sunshine C version. I'd have to check, but you'd think that like the weapons would be specific to this version, and so these would be marked different. That's like how Bandai would do it normally, but apparently not. But we've got 2 of these runners, and these as well, also in just kind of a little bit lighter gray color for them. So there you go. As you can see, quite a lot of stuff in there. So one thing that we've been able to deduce from the Kotobukiya kits we've looked at so far, and just from general knowledge of Kotobukiya kits, is that they tend to be more expensive. But for this one, I think 5,300 yen for this definitely doesn't seem bad at all, considering it seems, about the amount of parts in here, maybe comparable to like a master grade. Now I don't think this has like a full inner frame, and maybe it lacks some of the gimmicks included with that. But it is very, very nicely detailed, and there is a lot of plastic in there, so definitely seems pretty cool. Worth checking out for sure. I'll let you guys know what I think in the review. We'll have that coming up next, but I gotta say, at the moment I'm thinking that this is going to be a pretty nice kit. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any other further questions or comments, feel free to leave those down below. I'm sure you guys will be able to fill me in on a lot of the information that I just don't know about Armored Core, so thank you in advance for that, and I'll see you guys in the review. Bye bye. Hey! Thanks for watching, guys. Remember, if you want to check the kit out for yourself, you can head over to USA Gundam Store, use that coupon code ZakuAurelius10, save yourself 10%. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Bye-bye.